You try first. 3 things.
First, yung muna. Ako muna. Give me na that one.
Okay guys, you come. I will, because you pay the unlimited, I will let you buy hand. I will let you buy hand.
You can throw with hand also.
You can pick whatever you want.
You can try the foot first actually, yeah.
Okay, come on. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, just miss, just miss. Wait. No. The first one is good actually. Oh, just actually.
Try by hand, easy.
Try by hand up.
Yalla, go. Remove your dog, madam.
Oh, you have to finish all.
Finish all. Ay! Come closer, madam, come closer. Come on. Power, like this, madam.
Take the picture.
Give it a try also.
Yalla, go. Ay, ay, ay.
No. No, you go.
Oh, you, madam, you. Ikaw naman.
Ako naman.
Oh, ikaw naman.
You.
Go, power. What is this? Ronaldo.
Oh. Oh. One more. Yeah, then.
Want that, madam? Or go there outside, you need to cut.
Wait, tama yan ah.
You take it.
Password ba? Give me. It's okay.
Yeah.
Ah,
Just
you
open
take
it.
it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Yan guys, kung hindi natapos saka mag-vlog. Oh my dear! Si Kitty Pie, my teddy bear. Kitty Pie, how are you?
That's not me.
That's Kitty Pie, I call her Kitty Pie. My Kitty Pie, how are you, Kitty Pie?
I don't have blue eyes.
Yeah, we're not bringing my tea. Someone asking me do daw a video.
Here.
Yeah, here daw.
It's crazy.
Actually, we are in the smoking area. But I forgot to bring my baby. Maybe she will not believe me that I'm the one who is doing the baby. You will not believe me, my friend, that I'm doing the baby. Then who do you do that one? Huh? I'm the one who do the vape, okay?
Starting. Both of them, it's okay. Leave it.
Oh my god! So guys, pauwi na kami. Doon na kami sa hotel at kami pagod na. Yan. So, ang mong plan, ano pa, is 6 o'clock. Bye-bye Ferrari World. Then, we will go to the Crown Plaza Hotel. We will take swimming in the pool. And then tomorrow, what's the name of our hotel again, baby? We check it? Yeah. So, see you there. Hagad na ako. Yung isa hagad na hagad. Ang daming rides na sakyan. Jumi B is not what's this. She ride everything. Hello guys. It's fall time. We are here in Crown Plaza Hotel. Yes, Island. Masarap pag gabi kasi hindi mainit. Kahit wala kang sunscreen. O, diba ang ganda ng sunset yung grabe ang quality. See? Doon maganda din doon. Try tayo doon after 10 minutes. Para diretso tayo uwi. Lumiit ang swimming pool nila, Jung. Dati pumunta yan doon, oh. Ngayon tinanggal nila. Oo, dati guys, we've been here 3 years ago. Ang laki ng pool hanggang doon. Tapos dyan din, ang laki din yan dyan. Mayroon akong vlog dito eh. Dito kami nag-celebrate ni Kitty Pie ng New Year last 3 years ago. Ngayon ang daming pagbabago. Pati ang smoking area, wala na din silang room kahit mayroon kayong balcony. Basta ang dami nilang pagbabago. I don't know. Ngayon pa din kasi din kami nakabalik sa Yas Island na hotel. Lahat na daw dito. Ganun na daw talaga. See? Guys, so for today's video, pupunta na naman kami sa swimming pool. Pero doon kami sa kabila. Yes, si Kitty Pie still the same, tulog pa. Yung sa Fujairah, ako lang mag-isa ang bulis. Oh, it's already 9 o'clock. Yes, it's already 8 o'clock pa pala in the morning. So see you there guys, so outfit siya. Diba? 666 sila yung studio. It's full time. Wow! So ito guys, parang pang training talaga ang nila. Swimming pool. Look at. Wow! See? Ganyan, nandyan kami. Junior Juice is there. Hello! Outfit check. Outfit check tayo. Hello, we will go for breakfast. Look at my hair, it's too much mess. That's what I hate with my conditioner. See?
Next time you bring conditioner for both.
Actually, their conditioner is bad. Same, it's a shampoo. I will put that in the review. I pay 1,300 dirham. Even conditioner, they can't buy properly. Coffee, ay chai pala. Oh, it's nice their coffee. Their coffee, you need to select what you like. And this is the one. This is the cup. See, they have also cup, Jom. If you want, Jom. If you want, you are the one who make your own. Bibi, you have drink too much pa. Oh, you go there. Which one? This is all the dessert and fresh food. Your favorite idili, Kitty Pie? See, Bibi, the bread, oh. They have your favorite pancake. Oatmeal porridge. Turkey bacon. You don't have? The noodles with veggies. This is the favorite of Kitty Pie. Indian corner. This is Indian corner, baby. Yeah, favorite ni Kitty Pie.
Bigger than me.
That is for you daw. He made it for you. They don't have for the egg. For the egg? See, Bibi, they have here, oh, Bibi, oh. Bibi, this is your favorite, right? Come here. This is our breakfast. Kitty Pie so much happy. Her favorite is there. With her latte, matcha. With my orange juice freeze for me, sweet corn. My favorite. So Jimmy B is too much diet. So for today's video guys, it's time to check out. Goodbye for now. Stay brave. So this is our room guys. Actually kay Jo mas malaki pa kaysa amin. Yeah, and this is the mirror. I like the mirror design. And most of all, I like this. I think guys, this we can take. Because I have planned to take this one. See, look at the design of there. What's this? Actually, I will not show this one when I do a room tour. Because I forgot. And see, look at my teddy bear. See my teddy bear. Hi, my teddy bear. So this is their sala, guys. Actually, I want to show you something. The refrigerator under microwave. See? Ang ganda ng microwave nila, guys. Jom, dinala mo ba yung tira ko na ano? See, look at the refrigerator. My left here. Yeah, the papayas. You bring that one. In the home, we don't have anything there. See, this is the sala, guys. Too much huge. Right? And this is for Jom. See, look at. He's sleeping. Why too much hot your room? See, this actually, guys, this is the main room. But I don't know if Kitty Pie is select the one. I don't know for him. Yeah. See, the same design for us. But this is biggest. And what's this? Is too much huge, the terrace. See? See, that's all for today's video, guys. See you in our next vlog. Bye!